In this video, we'll quickly be going over where to find your course links for students and where to find information for LMS integration in HOLcloud. In order for your students to enroll in the course, they'll need a specific course URL. To find this URL, click the booklet in the top left corner of your HOLcloud platform. Click Settings at the bottom of the list. In Course Settings, you'll find a section called Student Enrollment Link. Copy this link and send it to the students that need to enroll in your course. For your LMS integration, you'll find your Learning Technology Integration credentials on the same settings page. The LTI credentials are right under your student enrollment link. Select Show LTI Credentials. Your credentials include tool codes, course hooks, and individual lesson hooks. You'll want to give this information to your institution's IT or development team to integrate HOLcloud with your LMS.